Do you think you need to master grammar before you start speaking English? Let me tell you, no, that is a big mistake many learners make. Common grammar is important, yes, but waiting to learn all grammar rules first will slow you down. If you want to speak or write English quickly, then the secret is simple. Learn English by speaking. Start using the language every day. Speak simple sentences. Make mistakes because fluency comes from practice, not just grammar book. Learn grammar along the way, but don't let it stop you. Speak now, think in English, and remember, you learn English faster by speaking it. So speak with me, practice daily, let's grow together.